How's it going, YouTube? So Android here, and today we're going to be taking a look on how to get this theme for the Android device. Alright guys, like I said before, this is going to be one of those weird theme things, I guess you could say. I'm going to try to do this as short as possible, so I'm going to skip over takes and whatnot. I'll still be edited or whatever, so what am I doing right now? I'm just wasting time talking. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using Launch Pro here, Launch Pro Plus actually, and I think this works pretty good with this one just because it uses the dock or whatnot. I love the gestures that it has. The two things I do use is ADW and Launch Pro. The reason I don't like ADW as much as Launch Pro is because you can't change the docks or something for some reason. It just might be my app or whatnot. But anyways, guys, I think Launch Pro and ADW is the best ones out there right now. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do right now, we're going to add what am I talking about? 9 desktop visualizers. So I'm going to add 9 desktop visualizers. What is it? 1x1 SS. On my home screen right now. So you don't have to place them anywhere. I think this is the easiest way, just long pressing on it. Widgets. Scrolling down to wherever desktop visualizes for you, and again do this 9 times because we're gonna have a 3x3 cube. Anyways guys, while I'm doing this, I just want to remind you, don't forget to check out my DeviantArt page. Go ahead and bookmark it as your favorite on your favorite browser or something. I do post a lot of themes that I make straight off my hand. Like if I'm making a theme and I made it, I store it. I take a screenshot and store it on there so you guys can see it or whatever. So you guys can see like what's coming up, you know. And also you can go ahead and ask me there if you like an icon or something. You can go ahead and ask me there. Guys, I got, by the time I'm making the video, I got 20 subscribers, which is pretty cool for me. So anyways, here I got the, the 3x3 now. Now what I'm going to do is go to my widgets. Looking back at me, okay, yeah, so this is right. Go to our widgets here. We're going to go to beautiful widget, weather 1x1. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Scroll down over here, put a hide background, and this part is optional. You can choose depending on what you want, really. I like having this one right here. I use it a lot, this love lock weather or whatnot. You can read it right here. Well, I don't know if the camera's focusing, and I'm not gonna waste time for it to focus, or am I? Anyways, it's LOVKWEATHER spacebar and number 2. So go ahead and download that from the little beautiful widgets thing, whatever. Go ahead and hit this check mark box thing and then put it in that corner right here. Oh, again guys, preferences here, home screen settings. I have one home screen, one dock, all that jazz. Number of columns is set to 9 here, and the number of rows is set to 10. Alright, so go ahead and do that and then restart Launch Pro, whatever you do. So anyways, I think I'm gonna be moving this up here, but for right now, for like, I guess, business sake, I'm just gonna keep it down here so it's easier to manipulate later on. Hopefully I get a better angle right here, just because this the tripod I'm using doesn't let me actually get a good grip on my phone, so most of the time my phone is down here. So I'm resting my arm on one of my my beard trimmers, so I think that was working pretty well. It's giving this little funky angle, but I guess that's alright. You guys can live with that. But anyways, next thing what we're going to do is go to our widgets again. Let's do horizontal 3x1 maybe. We'll see how that goes out. So we want minimalistic text 3x1 horizontal. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Alright, so go back here. Show background, you want to hide it. Go to layout. We're going to add our text and battery level right there. Go ahead and hit save. Drag that down here. And it should fit up pretty nicely if you did the columns and rows or whatever. This should be 1x1. This should be the 3x1. So altogether, the 4 giving the illusion of this or whatever. I don't know how it works out. It works out pretty well for me. Next step we want to do is go ahead and add our dock. This is one of my favorite docks that I have. So you want to go to preferences, appearance settings, dock background, custom, and then scroll to where the dock is I saved. Again guys, the things will be in the description, so go ahead and check those out. So anyways, once you click on it, it should pop up right there. Next thing we want to do, let's see if so next thing we want to do is go ahead and actually assign these icons here. Go to your desktop or whatever, and again guys, these icons will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check those out. So we're gonna click on this one, I believe. Yeah, so this is the icons that I'm using. So again, you can choose whatever you want. Let's go ahead and hit this phone. Here you choose whatever the phone icon, so put launch app. Let me just go ahead and do that and click phone or whatever you want to do. You can put phone, people, music, whatever. And the important thing is going past that little what is it called, the trash can. Here you want to put green. I like green. You can choose whatever the other ones. I think the other ones just don't look as nice as green because it has that nice gradient on the green with the minimalistic text, a minimalistic theme going on. I think it looks really good. Anyways, oh, and also do like that Desktop Visualize did fix their problem without showing, because before they didn't show this before, which was kind of dumb, I guess you could say, in my sense anyways. Next thing here, I have the calendar. You know what, I'm actually going to go ahead and not do all these, show you on camera. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here, and I'll be back right when it's done, right now. So we're back here, and I finished up all the icons. As you can see, one thing I did have to change is go to our preferences here. I did mistake the number of rows. Number of rows you want to have 9, and also number of columns you want to have 9 as well. So yeah, so go ahead and set both of those to 9, and they should line up pretty well and pretty clickable. Alright, I set them to nothing right now, so you're not going to get anything right here. But anyways, you can go ahead and whenever you get this, I know I put it a little lower like that. Once you're done setting up those icons, you can go ahead and drag them up again. And for this one, the tap behavior, you can change it whatever you want. I like disabling action on tap because sometimes I'm in a hurry and I can't click on this little icon right there. I think I have set that to Instagram, but I'm not sure. But anyways, next step that you want to do is go ahead and change our wallpaper here. We're gonna click wallpaper, go to our wallpaper. And again, this will be in the description, so go ahead and check it out there. We're just gonna go ahead and set wallpaper here. Okay, so I don't know why, for some reason, I don't know if it's just the ROM I'm using CM11 on my Samsung Galaxy S3. For some reason, whenever I set a wallpaper, I have to set it in the middle of something on the edge. So as you can see here, this is the middle of the wallpaper. I'm going to set that middle all the way to this edge right here. You can see the middle is in the edge right there. Once I set it to set the wallpaper, it comes out exactly how I want it. So that's pretty weird. I'm going to cough right now. Ooh, I told the future. But anyways, guys, I need to drink a glass of water. And guys, I just want to thank you for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. It's been pretty good. I do have like 20 subscribers now, which is pretty cool. Anyways, guys, the content will be coming. Keep on coming. And hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And I'll be seeing you guys later.